Big data analytics and data science are two closely related fields that deal with the extraction of insights and knowledge from large and complex datasets. The use of these technologies has become increasingly important in recent years due to the explosive growth in the volume and variety of data that is being generated by individuals, businesses, and organizations. The scope of big data analytics and data science is wide and varied, ranging from customer behavior analysis and predictive modeling to fraud detection and risk management. These technologies are used in a variety of industries, including finance, healthcare, retail, marketing, and manufacturing, to name just a few. One of the key advantages of big data analytics and data science is their ability to identify patterns and trends that may not be immediately apparent. This is achieved through the use of advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques that can process large amounts of data quickly. The importance of big data analytics and data science is underscored by the fact that many businesses and organizations are now investing heavily in these technologies to gain a competitive edge in the marketplace. By leveraging the insights and knowledge gained through these technologies, organizations can make more informed decisions, improve operational efficiency, and enhance customer satisfaction. In summary, the use of big data analytics and data science has become increasingly important in today's data-driven world, with a wide range of applications and benefits across numerous industries. The scope of these technologies is vast, and they will continue to play a critical role in helping businesses and organizations extract value from the ever-increasing amount of data available to them.